Your children will enjoy hours of culinary adventures with the Cozy Corner Kitchen playset. This miniature kitchen, made from sturdy MDF, is built for endless hours of imaginative play. The cabinets are cleverly designed to resemble a microwave, fridge, freezer, dishwasher, and oven, providing a complete pretend kitchen experience. With 2 stove burners ready for any make-believe meal, the fun really heats up. The turnable knobs on the burners make satisfying clicks, adding a touch of realism to every playtime dish. Above the oven, a pull-out drawer offers a convenient place for storing those secret pretend recipes or kitchen tools. The range hood sits above the stove, and 3 wooden hooks are ready to keep all those utensils close at hand. The kitchen even comes with the pot, pan, and 3 cooking utensils. No kitchen is complete without a sink, and this one features a decorative faucet that's ready for some pretend washing up. This play kitchen allows little chefs to explore, create, and discover endless possibilities.